Looking to upgrade your home with stylish and functional finds? From cozy cushions to smart storage and iconic furniture, these IKEA must-haves are here to transform your space. Whether you need a pop of color, a game-changing piece, or the perfect ergonomic pillow, there's something for everyone. Get ready for the best in comfort, style, and practicality. All links are in the description, so let's dive in. The GURLI Cushion cover in golden yellow is an effortless way to add a pop of warmth and coziness to your space. Made from sustainably sourced cotton, it's soft, versatile, and available in multiple colors, making it easy to mix and match with other cushions. The discreet zipper allows for quick removal and washing, so you can keep it looking fresh and vibrant all year long. The GARNANÄS Coffee Table in green is a retro masterpiece with a modern twist. Originally part of the iconic Pop 68 series by Danish designer Erik Wirtz, this table is a timeless statement piece. Its built-in shelf is perfect for organizing magazines, books, or decorative accents, keeping your space tidy and stylish. The HATTÅSEN Bedside Table shelf unit in pink is as cute as it is functional. Lightweight, compact, and easy to move, it's the perfect companion for your bed, sofa, or favorite cozy corner. The high edges on the shelves keep your essentials secure, while the built-in handle makes cleaning a breeze. Whether you need a stylish nightstand or an adorable side table, HATTÅSEN is here to brighten up your space. The Chilistron plant stand in white is the ultimate stage for your indoor jungle. Designed to showcase your plants at different heights, this stand lets you maximize space while creating a dynamic, lush display, perfect for small apartments or anyone looking to add an extra layer of greenery to their home. Pair it with your favorite pots and watch your space transform into a botanical paradise. The GARNANÄS clothes rack with shoe storage is a game changer for small spaces. Its slim, airy design is both bold and practical, offering a smart way to store jackets, shoes, and keys, all in one sleek unit. With hidden wall anchoring for a seamless look, flexible hooks for customization, and a built-in storage tray for easy access to essentials. It's a total lifesaver for tight hallways or closets. The powder-coated metal frame adds a touch of industrial chic while keeping everything neat and organized. The Linwin mirror in black is the definition of sleek and modern. With its rounded corners and minimalist frame, it effortlessly adds depth and brightness to any space. Hang it vertically for a bold statement or horizontally for a more open feel. Either way, it's a showstopper. Plus, it's bathroom approved and comes with a safety film for extra durability. Perfect for bedrooms, hallways, or any space that needs a little reflection of style. The Vardigan carafe in clear glass is an elegant essential for every home. Whether serving ice-cold lemonade, refreshing water, or even doubling as a chic flower vase, this carafe does it all. The classic shape makes it easy to grip and pour, while the transparent glass lets you showcase your drinks in style. The Docksta table in white is an icon of Scandinavian design. Its round shape makes it perfect for socializing. ensuring that everyone gets a seat at the conversation. Whether styled with sleek Tobias chairs or classic Litis seating, this table fits seamlessly into any dining space. Clean, modern, and designed for connection, Doxta is the ultimate gathering spot for cozy dinners, coffee chats, and everything in between. The Kvaernvin ergonomic pillow is the ultimate sleep upgrade for side and back sleepers. With a cooling honeycomb pattern side and a cushioning memory foam side, it gives you the best of both worlds. The high support design keeps your neck properly aligned, while the temperature-regulating fabric keeps you comfy all night long. Say goodbye to restless nights and hello to cloud-like comfort. Yeah, the Moss-John glass door cabinet in anthracite is a bathroom storage dream. The reeded glass adds a touch of elegance while letting soft light filter through, giving you the perfect balance of display and privacy. With adjustable glass shelves, magnetic doors, and a raised edge top for extra decor space, it's a beautiful and functional statement piece. Ideal for towels, toiletries, or stylish baskets. The Setskog nightstand in black is the perfect mix of function and flexibility. With 2 steady legs and 2 on wheels, this sleek bedside table is easy to move whenever you need extra space. Just roll it away when you transform your daybed into a bed or need quick access to storage underneath. Compact, versatile, and effortlessly modern, Setskog is a minimalist dream. The Millsbo glass door cabinet in white is a showstopper for collectors and decorators alike. Designed to protect and display your favorite treasures, its adjustable glass shelves let you customize your setup with ease. The built-in lock ensures safety, while the cable outlet at the top makes it lighting ready for the ultimate showcase. The Bagboda side table in light yellow is a retro gem with a fresh twist. Originally designed in the 1970s by Karen Mobring, this classic IKEA piece has been revived in the Nytilverkad collection. Its simple, stylish silhouette makes it a standout in any modern or vintage-inspired home. Whether as a coffee table or a statement side table, Bagboda brings a pop of timeless charm to any space. The Kajibo ottoman in yellow beige is your new favorite versatile piece. Use it as an extra seat, a comfy footrest, or a chic mini table with a tray on top. Its compact size makes it easy to move, and the durable upholstery ensures it's built to last. Whether in the living room, bedroom, or reading nook, this ottoman is the definition of stylish functionality. The Ram's Lake Smell ergonomic pillow is the ultimate customizable sleep solution. With a 3-layer foam structure, you can adjust the height and firmness to fit your perfect sleeping position, whether you're a side, back, or even a stomach sleeper. From retro furniture to modern storage solutions, these IKEA picks are the perfect way to add style and function to your home. Whether you're refreshing your space or looking for the ultimate must-have, there's something for every lifestyle. Huge thank you to our new subscribers. I appreciate you so much. Don't forget to check the links in the description, and I will see you in the next one.